So down below, you see mealworms, right? And they're all piled up in this little clump of fish flakes, all right? And right there in the middle, you see these cricket quenchers, which are basically like protein jello with liquid or whatever, right? And over here at the end, you see a big pile of sugar, okay? So let me talk about this little lab, and I want to build up to this by quickly sharing a story with you, okay? So here's my story. Hope you like it. 3 weeks ago, right after the freeze, I took my son fishing on the Medina River, okay? And guys, we tore it up. Every time our line hit the water, it was like bang, we were catching a fish. We had a great day of fishing on the Medina River, 3 weeks ago, okay? Now, let's fast forward a bit. This past weekend, we went back to the Medina River, used the same bait, earthworms, okay, same time of day, same everything, except it was 3 weeks later, okay? And we only caught one fish. We were there for 3 hours, caught one fish. It was extremely slow, okay, and extremely frustrating, all right? Especially considering how well we did just a little while before, okay? And that's animal behavior, guys. That's animal behavior. The food changes based on the time of the year, whether the water has warmed or not. Courtship behaviors become a factor. Even when other animals spawn, their prey changes throughout the seasons as well, okay? So that kind of leads me back to these mealworms, these little creepy crawlies. You can see some of them gathered around the protein jello clumps, which are these cricket quenchers, which are calcium fortified or whatever. And this pile here is, they kind of trampled all over it. They've been going to town primarily on the fish flakes, really. But look over here, the sugar, they haven't touched it. Not at all. They're completely moving away, focusing on this side of my little terrarium. Pretty interesting, huh? So if I was quote unquote fishing, or if I'm trying to attract these mealworms, that wouldn't be my bait. That would not be my food source, at least not for this time of year, okay? And something else to consider, if I was trying to attract a different type of critter or insect, like say ants or honeybees or whatever, perhaps the sugar would be my bait or my food source. Okay, so that's something to consider as well. So there you have a quick little demonstration / mini lab on animal behavior. And one last little tidbit I want to share with you is right here I have a little mud dauber hive that I collected in a deer blind a while back. And I just wanted to briefly share how some insects live in colonies. They have specialized niches in their society. Some are queens and workers and drones and soldiers and whatnot. And of course, the best groups that exemplify that would be wasp, like these mud daubers here, and of course bees and ants and even termites. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And there you have animal behavior. Peace out and God bless.